So we are Udacoding at Classroom. We provide professional IT training service and our slogan is to make it possible. So this is our teammate Muhammad Najib bin Muhammad Wahid, Rizky Shahaputra, Mi Lee Sien, and Go Xiang Chu. So Udacoding at Classroom was established in June 2022 as a subsidiary to its parent company Udacoding in Malaysia, or known as Udacoding, which is an innovative company that supports local community development through the information technology skill by offering IT training, online and classroom training, as well as IT monitoring, especially to youth, school leaver, and small online business owners. Embracing the slogan, "Let's make it possible," this encapsulates a determination to ensure that everyone who engages with Udacoding is enabled to reach their full potential. As a vision to becoming the ultimate and preferred IT training provider for youth and small business owners, Udacoding is targeting to train 1,000 candidates through its offer service in 2 years. The expected end result is people achieving changes in their life, circumstances that never dreamed were possible when they first arrived, for example, finding employment and to achieve their goal, improving their life. So these are our key value for our targeted customer. We will focus on supporting youngster, youth, and small online business owner who can hard to reach through the conventional statutory service support. For the accessible, we're making it easy for people to access support by bringing service together and delivering a friendly and sensitive service locally. For the relevant skill set, we also encourage people to gradually building up the skill and confidence they need to process in life and build a positive future for their families. Basically, we train them to learn the new skills, to get employment, and develop a confidence to achieve their goal. So these are our key products. So as an IT training service provider, we provide training, handbooks, and merchandise. So this can be found in our website provided down below. So this is also our online shop, and we also provide a lot of online training on it. This is some of the example for the guidebooks, and these are some of the example for the merchandise like the shirts. So as an IT training service provider, we have produced our own product ranging from bundle of training courses, guidebooks, and also t-shirts and merchandise. All these items can be accessed by through Udacoding online shop at Tokopedia, either through website as well as Tokopedia apps that can be downloaded. For the training product, when the customer make a purchase, they will be in a group into the training classes, which will be held once in every fortnight. At the moment, we decided to maintain our shop at Tokopedia and use it as our preferred online shopping platform due to our headquarters is in Indonesia, which that manage everything for us. Besides, our business partner Udacoding and Classroom is still new in Malaysia. To establish the Udacoding Classroom, the scope management plan has been developed, and present here is the project scope statement as part of the management plan. So our title is the Udacoding Classroom as a IT training service. and we try to offering an IT training, online and classroom training, as well as IT mentoring, especially to youth, school leaver, and small online business owner. So, how do we deliver? So we'll have a complete market survey and then develop a training module and a guidebook, and then we'll have a complete developing website and online store, and then we especially the training through the classroom or online. So for the criteria, we'll have a successful developing online training module, and also the website and the online store to promote our product, and we are successful launching the business and get in from targeted group of people. So the following are the project constraints. We need to follow strict guidelines from the Ministry of Education Malaysia and also other regulation requirements. So to start the operation, we are limited by the tight budget and also the time.
Okay, hello. I'm Rizky Shaputra from Group 10 IT Project Management. Okay, here I want to continue present from our group. This is about scope management plan, work breakdown structure. We can see here in the chart, this is the IT training service, and we have several development like idea development, product development, business development, and marketing. So for idea development, there are also initial idea and discussion, working paper and approval, company registration and setup, request for funding, market survey, and the last about setup with target-led training. And about product development, we have conceptual development and approval, hiring expert, develop training module, expert review on the module, training mock-up, module update, finalize model, and model ready. And for business development, we have several uh, tab like business development plan, product launching, business meeting and presentation. And the last is about our goal is business deal. And about marketing, we have prepare marketing plan, prepare marketing material, print, social media, website, and also about the appoint vendor for printing work. And our goal with marketing is like marketing material done and website go live. And for this scope management, beside the project statement, a comprehensive work breakdown structure or VBS have done developed as part of the scope management plan. This work breakdown structure developed based on four segments, which were idea development, product development, business development, and marketing. And next, this is about human resource management. We using the RASI model. It's RASI means that R for responsible, A for accountable, and C for consult, and I for inform. Responsible R means that a person who performs a task or work and he or she is responsible for the work. And accountable or A mean that primarily the person is answerable for the activity or decision, task or work. And for consult or C means that person who give feedback, contribute as and when required. And last about the inform or I, person in charge who needs to know the action or decision taken. And here our activity like idea development, product development, business development, and marketing. And here our team like me, Rizky, Najib, Chair, and Go. We can see that we have R and also A and I and C here. Next, this is our organization chart, the CEO and founder, me, Rizky Saputra. We have motto or vision for Udacoding is a company that was formed with family concept. We have a lot of hope when this company was formed. One of them is to able to provide benefits to others, to be able to help others. One of which is break by creating jobs. And we have three directors here. There are Mr. Muhammad Najib, Mr. Muhammad Wahad as Director of Strategic Planning and Operation, and Chil Ling Xian, Director of Business Development and Marketing, and Go Sen Gon for Project Manager. And next about position, description, role as responsibility. And for CEO and founder, we have a role and responsibility. And role for CEO and founder, the first is about designing business goals. The chief executive officer acts as a representative of the company, evaluating executive, create, communicate, and implement the vision, mission, and general description of the goals of the organization or company to all employees. And about responsibility for the CEO and founder, like managing business, take an all role of the communicator, having responsibilities as manager. And here about this director of strategic planning and operation, we can see here there are several roles and responsibilities for director of strategic planning and operations. We can see that one of them is like develop a strategy so that the company's target can be achieved, and also for responsibility of director of strategic planning and operation, like assist the CEO in carrying out his duties, responsible for all operational process, responsible for employee development and product quality, supervise and ensure that every employee carries out their duties properly. And next we will talk about director of business development and marketing. This is also several roles and responsibility. We have seen that there are 11 roles for director of business development and marketing and 6 for responsibility. One of the roles for Director of Business Development and Marketing is track, identify and add qualified prospects to sales pipeline. And also for the responsibility, we can see that there are 6 points. One of the points like develop a comprehensive understanding of the client's pain points and communicate user requirement to improve our product offering. And next about project manager, we have also several roles and responsibility. For the role, make a project plan, sharing workload, facilitate effective communication, mitigate the risk of problems or crises. And for the responsibility, like make a project plan, allocating task units to team, forming effective team, communication, perform budget, and others. Next, we will talk about the strategy to sell the training and other products. We can see here there are several social media icons like Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and others. And here our like strategy for the marketing, like marketing and promotion. We using the marketing and promotion strategy plan, maximizing the use of the social media marketing, collateral and website marketing materials, establish marketing channels. And for customer feedbacks, maximizing buying process, sales and revenue monitoring, customer feedback data or testimony. And next about market position, market survey and analysis, competitive analysis, market gaps. And for pricing, revenue goals and plan pricing strategy model that conveys the value of the training provide. And here our conclusion for this presentation. Our proposed Udacoding online course, people, the environment, and system are connected in real time. The vast amounts of data could be generated through this interconnectivity and will be used in intelligent ways to have an effective approach which leaving a positive impact on the overall method of learning. An offline course that successfully complete the transformation to becoming an online course can radically improve the student's experience, personal course, better time management, and digital proficiency. We also use it to describe the rationale and how our organization creates, deliver, and capture value. All these nine elements of the BMC from key partners and the revenue stream have been carefully studied and planned so that the path that we are intend to pass through is clear and attainable. That's all from us from Group 10 IT Project Management. Thank you very much. You can visit our online store at Udacoding at Tokyo Video for more products update. Thank you so much.